Welcome guys, today we will replace charging port and mic sub board. Eject SIM tray. Remove back cover of phone. Be careful not damage fingerprint flex which is attached with back cover of phone. Keep finger on fingerprint scanner and pull up back cover to avoid damage of fingerprint scanner. Remove screws from ringer buzzer. Remove pull-out ringer buzzer. Remove antenna wire. Disconnect sub-flex connector. Remove charging port and mic sub board. On this sub board, this is mic. This is charging port. This is vibrator connection point. This is ringer buzzer connection point. Install new charging port and mic sub board in the body. Connect sub-flex connector to sub board. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer on the sub board. Put back screw. Install back cover. Insert SIM tray in the phone.